Cristiano Ronaldo has announced he will kick off his fourth NFT collection in collaboration with Binance. This new collection, set to launch on May 29th on the Binance NFT marketplace, will celebrate Ronaldo's legendary career by highlighting key moments from his football journey. While specific details, like the total number of NFTs, have yet to be revealed, the post confirmed that the price will be consistent for every normal NFT. However, pricing for the Super Rare and Super Super Rare NFTs will vary. This latest NFT collection moves to launch despite CR7's ongoing $1 billion class action lawsuit in the US, following the conviction of the exchange and its founder, Changpeng CZ Zhao. A group of users filed a lawsuit against Ronaldo, accusing him of promoting unregistered securities and enticing unsuspecting investors. The lawsuit claims Ronaldo's massive influence attracted unsuspecting investors to Binance, and that his promotions helped the exchange significantly. The case is ongoing as legal efforts are underway to serve Ronaldo with the lawsuit. However, investing in this collection is a must because Ronaldo's previous NFT collection offered IRL perks like one-on-one training sessions and signed merch. Super Super Rare Class NFTs from Ronaldo's third collection start at $30 apiece. The release of the new collection offers a way to engage with fans and celebrate his milestones.